Elevating your space with stylish wood decor and furniture can transform the ambience of any room, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere that reflects your personal style. Wood has long been celebrated for its versatility, durability, and timeless appeal. Whether you live in a modern apartment, a cozy cottage, or a traditional home, incorporating wooden elements can enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your living environment. From rustic to contemporary designs, wood offers a range of options that can suit various tastes and preferences. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you elevate your space with stylish wood decor and wood furniture ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most significant advantages of using wood in your decor is its ability to bring nature indoors. Wood connects us to the natural world, providing a sense of tranquility and comfort. The organic textures and rich colors of wood can create a grounding effect, making it easier to relax and unwind. Consider adding wooden accents throughout your home, such as wooden picture frames, decorative trays, or carved sculptures. These small touches can make a big difference in elevating your space. When it comes to furniture, wooden pieces are often the centerpiece of a room. A solid wood dining table, for example, serves not only as a functional piece, but also as a gathering place for family and friends. The warmth of the wood can create an inviting atmosphere for meals and conversations. Choose a table with a unique grain pattern or finish that complements the overall design of your dining area. Pair it with stylish wooden chairs that offer both comfort and aesthetic appeal. You might opt for sleek, modern designs or go for more traditional styles with intricate carvings. In the living room, a wooden coffee table can serve as a focal point. Look for tables made from reclaimed wood, which adds character and history to your space. These tables often feature beautiful imperfections that tell a story. You can style your coffee table with decorative books, candles, or a vase of fresh flowers to create an inviting coffee nook. Additionally, consider incorporating wooden shelves to display books, plants, or cherished items. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood can add dimension to your walls while providing functional storage. Wooden furniture is not limited to just tables and chairs. It can also include storage solutions that enhance your space's organization and style. A wooden sideboard or console table can provide ample storage while serving as a stylish display area for decorative items. Choose a piece with interesting hardware or unique design elements to make it stand out. In bedrooms, wooden dressers and nightstands can create a cohesive look while offering essential storage for clothing and personal items. Incorporating wood into your decor doesn't have to be limited to large furniture pieces. Consider adding smaller wooden accents throughout your home. Wooden coasters, bowls, and trays can add warmth to your kitchen or dining area. In the bathroom, wooden shelves or towel racks can provide both functionality and style. Even in outdoor spaces, wooden planters or garden furniture can enhance the natural beauty of your surroundings. If you're looking to make a bold statement, consider using wood as an accent wall. A feature wall made from reclaimed barn wood or sleek plywood can add depth and interest to any room. This approach works particularly well in living rooms or bedrooms where you want to create a cozy atmosphere. You can complement the wood with soft textiles like plush cushions or throws to balance the hard surface. For those who appreciate craftsmanship, handcrafted wooden furniture pieces can be a beautiful addition to your decor. Artisans often create unique items that showcase the beauty of the wood grain and highlight the skill involved in their construction. Investing in such pieces not only supports local artisans, but also ensures that you have one-of-a-kind items in your home that carry their own stories. When selecting wood decor and furniture, it's essential to consider the type of wood used. Different woods offer varying colors, grains, and durability levels. For instance, oak is known for its strength and classic appearance, while walnut features rich tones and intricate grain patterns. Maple is often favored for its light color and smooth texture, making it suitable for modern designs. Understanding the characteristics of different woods will help you choose pieces that align with your desired aesthetic. In addition to aesthetics, sustainability is an important factor when choosing wooden decor and furniture. Look for items made from sustainably sourced wood or reclaimed materials. This choice not only benefits the environment, but also adds character to your space. Reclaimed wood often comes with a history that can spark conversations and intrigue among guests. To further elevate your space with wood decor, consider layering different textures and finishes. Combining smooth surfaces with rough-hewn elements can create visual interest and depth in your design. For example, pairing a polished wooden dining table with rustic wooden benches can achieve an eclectic yet harmonious look. Mixing various shades of wood can also add dimension. Lighter woods can brighten up a space while darker woods provide richness. Lighting plays a crucial role in showcasing wooden decor and furniture. Natural light enhances the beauty of wood grain and color, so consider how sunlight enters your space when arranging your furniture. In areas where natural light is limited, strategically placed lamps with warm bulbs can help create an inviting glow that highlights the warmth of wood. Artistic wooden decor pieces can also serve as conversation starters in your home. Sculptures made from driftwood or abstract wooden art can add unique flair to your space while reflecting your personality. Wall art crafted from reclaimed wood can bring texture to your walls while supporting sustainable practices. Plants are another excellent way to elevate your space alongside wooden decor. The combination of greenery with wood creates a harmonious balance that evokes feelings of serenity. Consider using wooden planters or stands to display indoor plants or herbs. Hanging planters made from wood can also add vertical interest to your walls while bringing life into the room. When styling your space with wood decor and furniture, remember that less is often more. Avoid overcrowding surfaces with too many items. Instead, curate a selection of meaningful pieces that resonate with you. This approach allows each item to shine while contributing to the overall aesthetic of your home. As you incorporate wooden elements into your decor, think about how they relate to other materials in your space. Mixing wood with metal, glass, or textiles can create a dynamic interplay of textures and styles. For example, combining sleek metal light fixtures with rustic wooden furniture can achieve an industrial chic look that feels both modern and inviting. In children's rooms, incorporating wooden furniture and decor can create a warm and nurturing environment. Wooden cribs, dressers, and toy chests are not only durable but also timeless pieces that can grow with your child. Consider adding playful wooden toys or wall art made from natural materials to enhance the whimsical atmosphere. As you explore ways to elevate your space with stylish wood decor and furniture ideas, don't hesitate to experiment with different arrangements and styles until you find what resonates with you. Your home should be a reflection of who you are, a place where you feel comfortable and inspired. In conclusion, elevating your space with stylish wood decor and furniture ideas is an enriching endeavor that allows you to express your creativity while enhancing the ambience of your home. From large statement pieces like dining tables and coffee tables to smaller accents like coasters and decorative trays, wood offers endless possibilities for beautifying your living environment. By thoughtfully selecting materials, textures, and arrangements, you can create a harmonious blend of style and functionality that brings warmth and character to every corner of your home. Embrace the timeless appeal of wood as you curate a space that reflects your unique personality and invites comfort into your everyday life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.